pre-spray and scrub that.
And if the battery runs out of that, I gotta go get my other one. All right, guys. So you see what's going on, and we're gonna do a full tile grout clean. And these grout lines were looking pretty close to that bad when they moved in 7 years ago. So you know that stuff's gonna be tough, but I think we're gonna get it back looking good again. So cross our fingers. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we pre-sprayed everything, scrubbed everything all the way up to here. It's a cold day. Stuff's not going to dry, and if it does, we'll just mist over it. Really doesn't matter with this product anyway, but yeah. So what we do there is we clean all around the table, the legs, and then we just move the table over, 3 inches and clean under it. So I usually tell the customer they can leave it in, take all the chairs and stuff out. And this stuff is cleaning up amazing. This camera does it no justice. It's gonna look brand new. That's what we do. You know who to call? Rhino crew. Okay, that was funny. All right, so what we do is the first cleaned area, we'll put fans on there and kind of, work our way back with it. As we clean, we fan. So hopefully we can get the grout lines mostly clean, or mostly dry. But yeah. That's back to original color right there. That remember what they looked like? They were black. So originally the customer wanted to do a color seal. Actually change the color and all that. I did recommend that they don't do that because for more than half the price, we can clean it and make your grout lines look brand new again. So they went for that, which I'm glad about. I don't like doing color sealing. Although there's I'm not sure if he's got a YouTube channel or not, but he's on Facebook a lot. His company's name is Grout Shapers. Guy does great work on YouTube. He does a lot of color sealing, a lot of natural stone. And he'll just make a natural stone, like saltails and terracottas and stuff like that look brand new again. So he does a good job. Make sure if you guys are on YouTube or on Facebook, give him a like, give him some support. Real nice guy. Beautiful. And this is not even nearly dry either. Tomorrow we'll see the full results. Well, they will. All right, guys. So this is the fan's been on there for a while. We're gonna go ahead and seal it. It's what we use is Sager's Super Sealer. What I love about this product, when I first started tile cleaning, and I was going through the grout lines with the rollers on my hands and knees, I almost didn't want to do tile cleaning anymore because I don't like doing that type of stuff. But when I discovered Sager's Super Sealer, you can actually spray it over the top of anything, right? Natural stone, or ceramic, or porcelain, and you spray it like you do pre-spray, and then you just go ahead and take a microfiber and spread it out towards, it kind of puddles up inside the grout lines. So you take a hour and a half job to about 10 minutes, right, doing that. All right, so I think you get the idea. guys, that's it. I'll leave the ticket, the invoice at the end of the video. And yeah, I'm gonna try not to get too wet. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, help support the channel. When you guys watch it, hit that like and put a comment there. That way YouTube says, hey, people like this. Maybe other people want to watch this stuff, All right, guys, have a good one.